So hey guys, and this is the all new OnePlus Ace aka OnePlus 10R. This OnePlus is for those who don't want to spend that much and still want max out specifications, performance and oxygen/color OS. Yeah, OnePlus is going all out in terms of the specifications, and it is sort of a gaming centric device cause has high touch sampling rate, super fast charging and a spatial silicon. So the OnePlus Ace comes in this red box and there are a few colors: Arctic Glow, Green and Sierra Black, and this one in the box is black one, which is something most would pick. So yes, in the box we have a 150 watts power brick, and OnePlus is still one of the brand who is not following Samsung and Apple's money making move, ditching the charger in the name of environment. Now the device itself has so many design changes we never saw in a OnePlus, like it is the first time OnePlus is using a center hole punch selfie shooter, plastic two-tone finish and OnePlus logo is on the bottom right. This 6.7-inch display has 120Hz high refresh rate, 720Hz touch sampling rate and HDR10 Plus support. The Ace uses sorta boxy finish, and shocking part is alert slider is gone. Yeah, I was not expecting OnePlus to ditch it in such main device. The rear design looks cool and has S21-like module containing triple cameras. There's Sony IMX766 main with OIS, super wide and a 2 megapixel filler. So overall, this design looks nice and unique for sure. The highlight of this device is Mediatek Dimensity 8100 Max Silicon, which is not only powerful than non-Max but also powerful than Snapdragon 870 in terms of benchmark. OnePlus is using the max out DDR5 RAM, UFS 3.1, and the icing on cake, this device contains largest heat dissipation system in any OnePlus. So this combination with ColorOS 12.1/Oxygen OS is gonna work like charm. The OnePlus Ace comes in a single 150 watts variant with 4500 mAh battery. Yeah, the OnePlus 10R however will have an 80 watts variant too, and I think that is more than enough for fast charging. Yes, for those who want to try out the fastest 150 watts charging can go for that variant. Best part is this beast got max out 512 gigs of storage variant too, so that is insane. And the base variant starts at 2499 yuan, which is $387 and 30,000 INR. Summing up all, an awesome device with max out specifications, and I like how OnePlus is not holding back in this one. Here missing alert slider came as a shocker, but overall this is a nice device. I like it. This all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.